Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I am going to show you how you can add the animation to your clips in the CapCut apps. So after you add the video or photos that you want to edit, just click on the clip and appears the animation option right here. Just click on it and you can select in animation, out animation or combo animation. For example, just download the animation that you want to use, and then, for example, select this one, mini zoom, just download it, and just add to the track. So it takes a long time. Okay, so you can adjust for the duration. Alright, so select other clips and add the animation as before. So here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. So it's a basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.